If you're preparing for an SDE role at any of the FANG companies, or in fact any of the big tech companies, then data structures and algorithms will be a part of your interview loop. One of the questions I received recently was around how to prepare for DSA from scratch. If you take my advice, don't even start with data structures and algorithms. In fact, go back and learn about time and space complexity. These are some basic concepts, and data structures and algorithms are actually meant for optimizing on either of these, if not both. Now, Cormen is the holy grail of DSA. One could even argue that you can find everything that's required for preparing for DSA interviews in this book itself. However, some of the concepts in the book could be hard to grasp if you're just starting out. Therefore, I'm going to provide alternatives for each of these concepts. Contrary to what I just said, I find that Cormen is the best book if you want to learn about the time and space complexities. Once you understand how to calculate the time and space complexities, you can move on to learning about the basic data structures. The order that I would recommend is arrays, linked lists, queues, stacks, trees, and then graphs. Geeks for Geeks has pretty easy to understand tutorials on each of these data structures, along with a few questions so you can grasp the concepts better and understand how to use each of them. Once you've learned the basics, move on to LeetCode and start with the easy questions. Look at the solutions from others to learn how to approach problems and potential solutions. As you get better at understanding the questions, move on to the medium complexity ones and also check out the questions from the companies that you're targeting. Next, understand the structure of an interview and start timing yourself correctly like we discussed in the previous video. At this point, you can go back to Cormen and learn about more advanced concepts such as dynamic programming and string matching. Lastly, you can also start solving the hard questions on LeetCode. However, if you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that most of you will not even need to do so. I'll leave the links for all the resources I mentioned in the description. If you have any more questions, do let me know and I'll try to answer them for you. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Good luck for your interviews!